Wrong? Hmm? What are you after? What are you after? You want my lunch, don't you? No? What are you after? Say hello to your nanny. Miss Jan Whitfield. Say hello to Jan. Hello, Nan. He has just seen me prepare a salad. I'm now sitting with a piece of a sandwich in my hand with some of the salad on it. And he's suffering the heat of the sun so he can sit with me. He has his own food, don't you, Ted? Where's Michael? Michael! With the ears move. Michael! Where is he? Where is he? Huh? Where is he? Is he coming? Look at him watching. Where is he? Is he coming? Is he coming? He has to go and look for Michael. Where is he? Where's Michael? Where is he? Is he coming in? Go find him. Go on. Where is he? Michael? Where's Connor? Are they coming? Where's Connor and Michael?